Hello everyone, it's me, Gio, and today we're reviewing the Mega Construx Despicable Me 3. Dun, 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 dun. Drew's Lair. That's 168 pieces in ages 5 and up. This comes with 1 minion and Drew. This set looks awesome. Now let's show the finished product. That's the finished product. I think the number of the set is FFJ35. I think it is. Let's put the box right here. And let's see what you can do. You can make the minion match. Anyways, guys, there's a thing you can do where you can put this missile thing here, and you can take out the rocket there, and you can give Drew this box and put the missile in there and make him go up. And if you want, you can have a little fun. Banana! Avoid the missile. Avoid the rocket. Jump on the box. Jump on the missile. If you like this channel, like and subscribe. Goodbye. And share with your friends. Goodbye.